This item is handy for people who have, for various reasons, removed the optical disk drive from their notebook computer. For example, some people have installed a second hard disk into the optical drive bay through an adapter caddy. Notebook computer's optical drive has slim SATA connector, which is different from the typical hard disk SATA port specifications. At times, when you need to have access to optical disks, you can use this cable to connect your optical drive to computer via an USB port. The setting up is easy and straightforward. Just plug in the slim SATA connector to the optical drive. At the USB end, there are two Type A connectors. This is the main connector, and this is the power connector. Most of the time, you just plug the main connector into the computer for it to work. You only need to utilize the power connector if your computer USB port is underpowered, and need to draw additional power from another USB port, or from an external USB power source. Once plugged in, the computer will automatically detect the optical drive. You can now start using your USB-connected external optical drive. Thank you for watching.